What's up, everybody? I am Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and instead of showing you my ugly mug, I'm going to show you this killer four-wheel drive van that we just finished. So this thing is awesome, and you can see there's all kinds of goodies on there. And where should we start? Like, who knows? Let's start with these awesome wheels. Check those things out. So we're running the Method Con 6. This is a 17-inch wheel, and we're running a 285 7017 BFG KO2. Thing looks awesome. All right, so let's dive underneath here and check this out. So what we have is our four-wheel drive conversion. This is a torsion bar conversion, and what's cool is also on here for all of you guys that have four-wheel drive, whether you have a Quigley, an Advanced, or whatever four-wheel drive you have, you can do these awesome tie rods, and look how big those things are. I don't know any of you guys that have four-wheel drive that you definitely need these things. This is awesome. So much bigger and stronger, which is going to be great. So you can see in there you have your four-wheel drive axles, all the fun stuff. This has a 3-inch lift on it, and as you peek your head under there, you'll see something totally different. And on this, we've done all of our Under Armour skid plates on that, and those will also work with any four-wheel drive unit. So let's take a look right here. You can see that undercover, the stealth winch bumper. You guys love this thing. This thing's awesome. We're also running in there, right behind this thing, we're running a Smitty built winch, synthetic cable, and then you know we love these lights. Check out these Light Force lights. These things are going to be so bright. Running the HTX2s up on the top, and what's great about this light is you can see you have the LEDs on the outside with the HID beams on the inside of them, so a lot of light far out, and then this is going to give you your up closer light right there. So that's going to be really nice, and we're running 2 of those on the front of this. So let's start moving our way around the back. And you're going to see these awesome rock sliders that also are a step. And another set of Con 6 wheels. So in the back of this one, on some of the other vans that we've done, you'll see we'll run blocks in there, but on the back of this, if I can get in there, we're running our big leaf spring pack in the back with our Fox shocks in the rear. This thing will have a lot of articulation. So you can see in the back, this also has our ladder. Didn't quite make it to powder coat in time for this trip. And then on the top, we're running the Aluminess roof rack. So let's jump up on there. So there you go, the Aluminess roof rack. And what's great is she looks just as good from behind as she does in the front. So we're running our dual swing bumper in the rear, which is going to have obviously one swing out for the tire, and then we're running an Aluminess box on this side. Both of those swings are going to swing out, and you can choose which side if you for some reason wanted your tire on the other side. I know some of you guys are picky about what side it mounts on, but look how awesome this stealth camper. So this particular customer's building out the inside. This is like ultimate apocalypse coronavirus escape vehicle right here. This thing looks killer. Loving it. And that's what we love right there too. Look at that awesome cool badge. All right. So quick little walkthrough. Man, look at that sunset we're getting. That's just beautiful here in Southern California. So one other thing I'll show you guys real quick is inside. I know a lot of people ask is about the four-wheel drive. So we do up in the front here, we do 2 indicator lights. So you have one indicator light for 4 high and one for 4 low. And then you're gonna have your shift lever right down here, tucked all nice and close to your seat. Also what we've done in here is we are running a Switch Pro system, so you can see both of the lights. Let's have some fun. All right, so let's go turn some lights on. So that's what's great about the Switch Pro. As you hit the buttons, they're gonna light up. You can see this is an 8 switch panel. So you have the ability, he can still add 5 more items there. So let's go check out these light force lights.